Hi everyone, my name is Diana. I am 49 and I was struggling with Forex trading for 6 years. Only recently I started to understand BTMM, or the market maker method, developed by Steve Mauro, and I decided to document my journey on YouTube. I'm still not profitable, but I'm getting better and I wanted just to stick to my rules and document everything on YouTube. I will start to demo trade and document every trade and the rules why I take the trades. So start with the 4 pairs I am following. So for your USD, for me, we made an anchor yesterday on Monday. So it is the start of the market maker cycle. And today was day 2. So I was looking for a trade at the high of the day in the liquidity. So somewhere at the top here. We did a move this morning in London, but it didn't really take the liquidity somewhere. And yeah, I was not sure about the trade, didn't make any M like reversal pattern. So perhaps I was hesitating, perhaps the trade was here. But even then, I would just target the low of the day. So there was no trade for me today. Then GU. On GU was the same. It was not as good as for EU. So for me, the anchor was here. It didn't come all the way to the EMAs. So, but I was also looking for a trade, continuation trade somewhere over here to take the liquidity. And as we see on the 15-minute, yeah, we took liquidity here, but didn't make any like M structure. And so I didn't take the trade, and we even didn't make it to the low of the day. And then suddenly, in the New York session, we went all the way up to take the liquidity. So no trade for me. Then I was looking for GJ. So we were trading in a box for a long time, and I was waiting so they come outside all this big box. And I was surprised when they just went through it all the way to the upside. And I was looking for a trade here, but it is like day 2. So I shouldn't really count a trend, but as they made it that high and made the ADR, average daily range. So I was looking for a structure after London went that high. I was looking for an M structure to take it back to the EMAs, to the water, or even to the Mayo, but I didn't see any real structure. Perhaps here, but it was really late in the London session and there was the changeover. So nothing for me. And now, sure enough, we are going higher. So perhaps we could make a 3 drive pattern back to the EMAs on the 3rd day of the cycle, because for me the cycle started here. So let's see what we get tomorrow. And the last pair, Euro NZD. It was, so for me, we started the cycle like over here, and we just were channeling, going higher, making like higher highs, higher lows. And for me, yesterday was day 5 of the cycle, so we could look for something to the downside. We're really having like breakout traders in the market. So it was only day 1, day 2, day 3, like almost day 4 breakout traders in the market. And I was hoping for a structure over here. So on the M15, I was looking if we can get an M over here. And sure enough, yeah, we did like an M structure here, but didn't get below EMA, 13 EMA back above, back below. So it was not really clear. It was more risky. Because of that, we also had like an outside the band, inside the band on the TDI here down. But yeah, I didn't take the trade. Otherwise, yeah, perhaps here back to the low of the day. And sure enough, what we did. But we also were very close to the EMAs. So the risk reward wasn't that great. So I didn't take this trade. So no trade for me today. Nothing really exciting. We were just channeling. And so let's see what we will get tomorrow. So see you tomorrow.